In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your microphone that might be muted by your system settings specifically for Google Meet. Whether you're trying to attend an important meeting or just catching up with friends, nothing can be more frustrating than when your voice can't be heard. Luckily, getting your microphone back on track is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's begin by opening your system settings. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and then select Settings from the Start menu. This will bring up a window where you can adjust various settings on your computer. Once you're in, locate the System section and click on it. Here you'll find a number of options related to how your computer operates. Now within this system menu, look for the sound settings and select them. Once you're in the sound settings, you're going to want to focus on the input section. This is where you can choose which microphone your system is currently set to use. It's important to make sure you select the microphone you intend to use, especially if you have multiple devices connected. After selecting your desired microphone, make sure it is set as the default device. This ensures that your computer channels audio through the correct microphone. Now let's check for any mute settings. Next to your chosen microphone, you might notice a mute icon. Take a close look to ensure this icon is not showing that the microphone is muted. If it is, simply click to unmute it. Even with the correct device selected, a muted microphone will prevent your voice from being heard. Next, you might want to adjust the volume settings for your microphone. You'll see a volume slider in the input settings area. If your microphone level is too low, increase it so that your audio is clear and audible. This adjustment can make a significant difference in how well others can hear you during your calls. While focusing on the system settings is vital, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. First, don't forget to check your browser's permissions. If you're using Google Meet, navigate to your browser settings to ensure that it has permission to access your microphone. Without the correct permissions, your system settings won't matter much. Also, consider examining your device properties. If you're still experiencing issues, click on Device Properties within your microphone settings to access more advanced options. This can help you troubleshoot further. Lastly, perform a physical check of your microphone. Ensure that it is properly connected and functioning. Sometimes a loose connection is the simple culprit behind an unresponsive mic. By following these steps, you should be able to reset and ensure your microphone functions perfectly for all your Google Meet sessions.